In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use director's mode in Snapchat. Intro. Begin by opening up Snapchat and you want to go to the main camera screen. In the new versions of Snapchat, director mode may not appear as a separate button. Instead, what you have to go ahead and do is record or take a snap first, but sometimes it'll pop up in here as well. So always check this first. I recommend turning on HD mode for this, by the way, as well, if you're going to be using director mode, because then you're going to be able to get higher quality snaps. But essentially, go ahead and record a snap real quickly. And once you're done recording a snap, you're going to see a bunch of different stuff. You need to actually go ahead and select like import media from within here, or you could just select this little plus icon, and then from here you could select import media, or you can continue recording just like so, and essentially make whatever video it is that you want. You have a huge time limit and you could see the entire time up at the very top. There's a bunch of other features on here as well on the camera screen, like you could also turn on video stabilization and so much more. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.